entertained! Is this not why you were here?
Let's get to it. This is the only background that I had that even somewhat related to the previous footage. However, I like to save this one for more of a downtrend, bearish days. Hey, you'll see this at some point. I guarantee it. Something a bit Christmassy? Let me share this with you. This is the 7-day chart for Bitcoin. Immense growth. Look at this run up. And it did not have a considerable pullback. It had this and then showed quite a bit of support, tested it, and then bounce back up again. There has been no considerable pullback after a large bull run. I mean, I'm not saying that there won't be, but for now it's shown incredible resistance even after such growth, which you would have thought is not sustainable. But let's give it some context. These little pullbacks don't matter. If you were holding since 2013, you could say that it's just been one giant bull run this entire time. There has never been a bearish downtrend. The only key to that type of success is to not look.
Just don't look.
Just don't look. Now, no one's quite sure of what the Bitcoin futures are going to do for the price of Bitcoin, but pretty much like everyone is in agreement that we're going to see increased volatility. But for example, let's check this out. This is a bot that kind of immortalizes people that got wrecked on the futures market. This one is talking about a guy who literally lost $2 million betting that Bitcoin was going to go down from $15,239. Yeah. And this bot continues to go on. This is showing people, that have withdrawn their short sell orders on Bitcoin futures, likely because of the rising price action. You can go long or you can sell short. Mostly those selling short right now are getting wrecked. If you would like to track Bitcoin futures, this website apparently will do it. If it's working, I don't know if it's got a lot of activity, a lot of users right now. I don't really see anything, but I'll link it below. So helpful, Mr. Daily. This is exactly what I was talking about in a video a few days ago. I bought Bitcoin recently at around 8,000. Honestly, I thought it'd just be a nice way to make some money fast. But after lurking on this sub for a while, I've come to appreciate the idea of a decentralized currency. And this is exactly the point I was trying to get across. How are you going to get someone involved in a decentralized cryptocurrency? How? If it's not by its rising price action. It's led to some people saying that Bitcoin is a giant Ponzi because everyone just wants to cash out later. That's how it works. This is short-sighted. You cannot get this many people involved if it wasn't for this system. Not perfect, but probably the best that we could have ever conceived. I don't know. I think so. As this guy puts it, it's the best hook of all time. Come for the free money, but stay for the financial revolution. It speaks so true. Speaking of, pretty stable right now for the last 3 days, around 15K, 16K. Pretty nice. Pretty good. I'm not complaining at this at all. Ethereum right now, though, any minute now, is around 450, the new around 300. However, saying that, there is something to be said in price stability. I'm not sure what you'd say, but there is something to be said. I think stability is good as long as it doesn't go down when Bitcoin goes down. However, I don't think Ethereum's been really resilient against Bitcoin going down so far. So anyway, Waves is pumping quite a bit. I heard there is potential for an upcoming rebrand. Unconfirmed, I don't know, just rumors I've heard. They have announced a partnership to have regulatory body for ICO standards. Not exactly how sure this would work in practice, but it's something that could be used. Vert coin is due for the halvening, where the block reward is cut in half. Tomorrow, 12th of December. I don't know if this price has that already factored in. Less inflation means less circulation, usually means better price because it's scarce, because it's more scarce, less scarce. Anyway, or is it because of vertbase.com, a website where you can buy Vert coin for USD? I'll link that below if you'd like to check it out. Basic attention token announced Huobi, I don't know if I'm saying that right, a Chinese exchange. They will open trading as of 12th of December, again tomorrow. We've already seen a 26% rise. Does it already have that news priced in? Hey, that's $1 million question. I'd love to know. I'd love to know. Let us know. That'd be nice. Thank you. Dejan Bobatek, I'm sorry if I got that name wrong. But while us mere mortals are still walking around like fat-laden cows, we have a new fork of Bitcoin coming with 8 megabyte blocks, SegWit, Lightning Network coming. This isn't a promotion. I'm going to talk about it. It's called United Bitcoin. Just what? So it's being marketed like an ICO. A pretty fancy website. Chrome's crap. Why is Chrome so bad? Let me whip out Internet Explorer. I was having problems with the Brave browser, so that's why I'm not using that. As of recording, the fork is going to happen in around 2 hours. SegWit 8 megabyte blocks. They're stating smart contracts is something Bitcoin is going to have potentially one day, as well as Bitcoin Cash. So it's not unique in that regard, but there you go. Lightning later on, etc. No pre-mine for this fork. Probably saw the PR disaster that Bitcoin Gold went through. They don't fancy that. All inactive Bitcoin will result in United Bitcoins managed by the UB Foundation. I'm not really sure if that makes sense. However, what it seems like is that they will be commandeering unused Bitcoin somehow. Jeff Garzik is behind this project as he was a SegWit 2x fork. I don't trust anybody behind these forks at all. However, hopefully it can be rewarding for those who are given the coin for free. And I don't really care for talk anymore about what is the real BTC, because in practice it doesn't work like that. We have BTC, we have the #1 cryptocurrency by market cap, and then we have forks from that coin. So I don't care. I don't care who thinks what is a real BTC. We have the #1, we have the #2, we have the #3, etc., etc. What is it called again? Bitcoin United. United Bitcoin. Will United Bitcoin do a Bitcoin Cash and pump like crazy? Be a top 5 coin? Maybe. I can't rule out anything at this stage. I mean, Bitcoin Gold, like, yeah. Let's say you agree with having a more fair mining, which is cool. Like, let's say, for example, Vertcoin didn't exist. Bitcoin Gold is still #8 with, quite frankly, seemingly incompetent devs. I mean, it was a disaster of a launch and is still doing, I guess you could say, pretty well. Could unlimited Bitcoin do well? It would seem so. I mean, I don't know, obviously, but it seems like they're taking it more seriously than these guys were. Holy crap, I'm huge. I'll leave that in, even though it makes me look so egotistical. Focus on me only. I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. Do you think this is going to be the new BTC? On the real, thank you very much for 50,000 subscribers. Amazing community. Thank you very much for everyone making it possible, for me being able to do this full time. Yeah, thank you.